Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex. I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. I was making a video the other day. I was trying to do the chrome delete on the car, and I'm apparently not very good at vinyl, or I'm stupid or something, because I screwed up like 2 pieces and just gave up. So I might try it again or have somebody else do it, but I couldn't figure that crap out. But anyways, today I'm gonna put window visors on, deflectors on the windows of the car. So I got the windows rolled down on the car, and we're gonna clean them up with some alcohol and get them installed. So here we go. So here are the window vent visors I got. I got the AVS in channel. I like the in channel ones that, see, they go actually in the channel of your window, where your window slides up. I like those better than the ones with the 3M tape that just stick on your car. I think they look cleaner, and I just think it's just a little bit better product. So let's go put these on. It came with these alcohol pads. Came with 4 of them, so I'll use one for each window. You just clean out in here, you know, where it's gonna go. I don't know if you can see that in here. You want to clean that out with alcohol before you install them, so I'm going to do that now. So now if you read the instructions, it says you want to pull the front cover off of that tape, and this one doesn't have one on here, so you want to start at this end. You want to stick the back of it in first and the front, and then work your way up to the middle. So you just pull a little bit of that and a little bit of that to get it in right. All right, I got them on, got it done. To be real honest with you, I'm not real happy with how they fit. You can see a little bit of the tape in there. That's all the farther I could get it in. I tried a few different ways. There you can see a little bit of it right there. Not real happy with that, but we'll go with it and see how it goes for now. I don't really like how those sit in there, the visors, so we'll leave them in a few days, see what happens. If I don't like them, I'll take them out and try something else. I've had them in most of my other vehicles. I've mostly had trucks, and I like them for being able to crack the windows and not have wind in your car and rain and everything like that, but we'll see. This car's terribly filthy. I drove it down to Hoosier Park, kind of a road trip last week, and it's got bugs and crap all over it, so I'm gonna wash it here. It's a beautiful evening. So let's get that done. washed. I'm out air drying it. That's how I roll. As far as the future plans for the car, I want to get an intercooler, front pipe, down pipe. I want to get Haas Pro mounts, upper and lower, or top and rear, whatever the motor mounts, stiffen it up. And I want to get for sure tires. I don't know about rims or not, but for sure tires. At that point it should be a pretty good runner. I don't know about lowering it. I drive it, I don't daily drive it, I don't drive it to work, but I drive it pretty much anytime I'm not going to work, so I don't know if I want to lower it or not. We'll see. But oh yeah, and some chrome delete, stuff like that. We'll see where it goes. Maybe a bigger turbo in the future, a Type R or something like that. But for now, I'm gonna probably get the intercooler, front pipe and down pipe and motor mounts on order. Get that done. I'd like to start getting it over to the track, seeing where we're at as far as that goes. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.